Hello friends, today I will share with you 8 places not to waste your energy. First, people who do not support you. Don't waste your time on people who don't stand by you. Focus on people who make you feel good and believe in you. Trying to please people who don't care about you can leave you feeling unhappy and exhausted. It's better to be with people who lift you up and help you move forward. Second, worrying about others' opinions. Stop worrying about other people's opinions. Everyone will always have something to say, but their opinions don't determine your worth. Trust in your abilities and decisions. When you trust your own judgment and self-belief, you become more confident and less influenced by the opinion of others. This does not mean that you should ignore all advice, but instead choose what is important to you and ignore the rest. Trying to get everyone's approval is exhausting and not worth it. Trust yourself and your decisions. Third, one-sided relationships. Avoid investing your energy in one-sided relationships where you are the only one making an effort. Healthy relationships are based on mutual respect and effort. In this world, everyone thinks he or she is good, but people's actions and our perceptions about them may vary. For example, if you often call your friends or relatives, but they rarely call you except when they need something, this may make you feel that they contact you only when they need something. While there may be some truth to this notion, it is not always the case. Some people are not good at maintaining contact, which can lead to misunderstandings. You may feel that they don't care about you, and then you may stop contacting them, thinking, why bother if they don't care? These misunderstandings can create distance in relationships, causing people to stop talking to each other over time. Remember, everyone communicates differently and has their own reasons for reaching out. So it's best not to make judgments based on just one observation. Many people don't call often or communicate randomly, but that doesn't mean they want to break up. It's in their nature to communicate less. Don't assume they don't care because they don't reach out to you first. Some people are just like that, not just with you, but with most people. It's important not to let this make you feel distant or questions the relationships. They may still be nice people, that's just the way they are. However, if they only connect with you when you reach out, it may indicate that they are not very interested. In such cases, it's okay to keep some distance. To maintain a strong relationship, be clear about your needs and expectations. Healthy relationships thrive on mutual respect and effort. If someone only responds when you reach out, it's okay to keep some distance. Instead, focus on cultivating relationships with people who truly value and appreciate you. Number 4. People who only need you sometimes. Don't waste your time on people who only come to you when they need something. True friends are there for you all the time, not just when it's convenient. Prioritize building relationships with people who are always there for you and who appreciate you for who you are, not just for what you can give them. True relationships are based on mutual respect, trust, and constant support. Number 5. Solving problems that are not yours. Don't get too involved in solving problems that are not yours. It's good to help others, but if it stresses you out or exhausts you, it's okay to back off. Everyone has their own challenges to deal with, so do what you can to help without getting overwhelmed yourself. It's important to focus on your own issues and let others handle theirs. Number 6. Dwelling on past mistakes. Spending too much energy on past mistakes can prevent you from moving forward. Everyone makes mistakes. It is a natural part of life. Instead of focusing on what went wrong, focus on what you can learn from those experiences. Instead, accept your mistakes and use them as a learning opportunity. When you learn from your mistakes, you gain wisdom and become better able to handle similar situations in the future. Therefore, It's important to move forward with a clear mind and a sense of purpose. Don't let regrets overwhelm you. Use them to become stronger and more confident. This way, you can move forward and face new challenges with a positive attitude. Number 7. Getting involved in unnecessary conflicts. Avoid unnecessary fights and arguments. Not every disagreement needs your immediate attention. Choose your battles wisely and let go of the smaller ones. Focus on solving conflicts that really affect your life. By avoiding unnecessary conflicts, you save your energy for the more important things in life. Number 8. Pursuing unrealistic expectations. Don't pursue goals that are impossible to attain. It's good to aim high, but it's also important to be realistic. If you set goals that are too difficult, you may feel like you cannot succeed. Instead, set goals that you can accomplish and celebrate every step you take forward them. While it's important to dream big, set goals that are both challenging and achievable. This way, you can enjoy the journey to reaching your goals without getting discouraged. Imagine you have a big test coming up in 2 weeks. Instead of setting a goal to learn everything about the entire subject by tomorrow, which would be impossible, you set a realistic goal. Your goal is to study for 1 hour every day until the test. This way, you can gradually cover all the material and feel prepared when test day arrives. This goal is achievable because it breaks down the task into manageable parts and gives you enough time to learn without feeling overwhelmed. On conclusion, I would say focus your energy wisely. Surround yourself with those who support and value you. Don't worry too much about what others think, and don't waste time on one-sided relationships. Avoid getting involved in problems that are not your job to solve. Learn from your mistakes instead of dwelling on them, and avoid unnecessary conflicts. Establish realistic goals that propel you forward without overwhelming you. By doing these things, you will save your energy for the things that really matter and move forward with confidence and positivity. I hope you like this video. See you again soon. Keep smiling, stay positive, and enjoy every moment. Your journey to greatness begins now. Thank you.